Welcome back, guys. Patrick WW this is here. So this is another part of how to make a Bukkit plugin tutorial. Today we are going to make TnT explosion Sabiga. So what I did here was just, basic stuff. Here we have some things. Oh, I need to change the main. It's YT YouTube, and so it's going to be called YouTube because it's its name. And let me export this. YouTube testing plugins, and here save. Okay, again because I didn't press F5 to refresh. So let's try it. YouTube loading enabling has been enabled. I'm sorry, everything is working. So now what I wanted to do is to create public integer explosion radius. For the beginning we are going to set explosion radius to get config. Come on. Oh. Get integer YouTube explosion radius. So here we set the explosion radius. Then we need to create, not here, but we need to create event handler. I'm sorry about this sound. Event handler. And I'm sorry, I forgot. I'll be right back. Yeah, so I'm back. Actually, it was okay, but sometimes weird stuff happens. So here we have on explosion prime event. So it happens when explosion happens. Then I am setting the radius of the explosion to explosion radius. Of course, here we are going to make some stuff so the player can change it. Called player sender. Why is my L uppercase? So if command equals get label equals, in our case, TnT. If args length is equal to 1, then explosion radius is equal to integer parse integer args. So first argument, and we are going to get config set. We want to set it here, and integer parse int integer. Okay, so I don't need it. And we want to send a message to the player. Successfully set TnT explosion radius to int args 0. So that should be it. Just the plugin. We need just TnT. I changed my mind. Oh, just TnT. So let's export this. Of course, again. Reload. So disabling this space, disabled, enabling, enabled. So let's go to the Minecraft. This should be the server. Reload again. Game mode 1. Let's just TnT. Okay. And another thing that I wanted to see was just here, this config, still nothing. Oh, I know. Get config save. It's just this save config. And now if we export again, TnT 100 and explosion radius 100. If we say 33, so it works now. Flint and steel. So this should be 33 explosion radius. So it's huge. We can also put 1. So now if I put, nothing happens. Oh, it's actually cool. Let's try 3. Maybe I'll fly. Rifle. Whee! So we can set 50. I hope it won't. Oh, egg. Whee! So it exploded with a radius of 50. Now we can do some crazy stuff like 100. Fast run. And there it is. Just one little check. So if we do this, yeah, it's 20. I knew that I did something wrong. It's going to probably, or maybe not. Oh yeah, here it comes. So you see, this is the explosion that I wanted to get. Big explosion. But I feel like something is wrong. So yeah, I'll be back in a second. And I'm back. So it turns out that everything is actually working very well. So this is the 20 explosion, this is the 50, and there is the 100. And you see, it's saved. So if you turn the server off, it will stay, and if you turn on, it will stay as it was. So now I'm going to show you what are we going to do in the end. So this is going to be TnT explosion manage. So explosion radius, set TnT radius. Disabled TnT blocks, let's just enable it. I'm sorry about this, I'm kind of sick. Yeah, so you see there are falling blocks like, and broadcast TnT stats. So number of TnT exploded 145. If we 146, let's do creeper, flint, so see it's 4 before it was free. And also you can do TnT information, TnT explosion radius, falling blocks are enabled. So falling blocks are kind of the things where TnT blocks are like flying up. You see. And we can also turn it off. And it won't pay. So this is what we are going to do at the end of. In the next part we are going to do falling blocks, and after that we are going to do broadcast and TnT stats and information, and then at the end we are going to do this inventory GUI. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please leave a like. Of course, if you didn't, subscribe, comment down below for the things that you want for me to do in these Bukkit tutorials. And thanks for watching. Goodbye. And I'll see you next time.